Your question is integrate the rational function. See that what they have given, 1 by x to the power of 4 minus 1. This we can rewrite it as how? X square minus 1 into x square plus 1. So this is equal to, we can say 1 by x square minus 1, and here it is x square plus 1. Now again this we can rewrite it as x minus 1 into x plus 1. So therefore it will be 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1. So now this we can write it as in the form of A, B, C and D. Y means up to D we have to write. Y means here x to the power of 4 is there. So we have to write up to D. How we can write? So this is your numerator, that is 1. That is equal to A by first one, that is x minus 1, plus B by x plus 1, second one, and next comes your third. So third we can write it as Cx first. Cx by x square plus 1. Next is your D, plus D by x square plus 1. Now we will take the LCM. So LCM is nothing but your this value, or you can say this value, or you can say this value. Now try to solve with respect to your numerator. So here numerator is 1. So we will write 1 is equal to A. Here x minus 1 is there. That means we have to multiply A with these two values. So what is that? This will be x cube. Next, if you multiply this with this, it will be x. But if you multiply this to this, it will be x square. So we will write plus x square plus x plus 1. Now comes to your B. So plus B. So B contains your x plus 1. So now we have to multiply this and this. So here it will be x cube. Next is your minus x square. Next is your plus x and minus 1. Next comes your Cx. So here comes Cx. So Cx, that means it will be x square plus 1. That means we have to multiply this into x. Into x. So this is nothing but x square minus 1. Into x is x cube minus x. Next comes your D. So here comes plus D. So D is x square plus 1. So we have to multiply with x square minus 1. Now equate. If you equate this, first we will take x cube. So x cube is this one. So we can say A plus B plus C is equal to 0. A plus B plus C, that is equal to 0. Why means here x cube is not there. Next we will take x square. So here it will be A, here it will be minus B, and here it will be D. That is equal to 0. Next we have to take x. So here A here b minus c, that is equal to 0. So this is your x cube, x cube, x cube and x cube, and x is there. So minus x plus and nothing is there. Now comes your constant. So constant is a, next is your minus b, next is your minus d, that is equal to 1. Now we will take these two. So first is this and this. If you solve this, we will get 2a plus 2b, that is equal to 0. Y means plus c and minus c will go out. Now if you divide this by 2, so we will get a plus b is equal to 0. So therefore we can say a is equal to minus b, or we can say b is equal to minus a. Now, so here we got a is equal to minus b and b is equal to minus a. Now, so this we can substitute here. So a is minus b is minus 2b. So minus 2b minus b is equal to 1. Next, solve here. So here you will get minus b minus 2b plus d is equal to 0. Solve this. So this will go out. So here it is minus 4b is equal to 1. So we can say b is equal to minus 1 by 4. So therefore a is equal to 1 by 4. Now this a and b we will solve here. Substitute this. So a is 1 by 4 plus b is minus 1 by 4. So this will go out. Therefore we can say minus c is equal to 0. We can say c is equal to 0. So c is 0. Next, we will substitute here to get d. So here it is a is 1 by 4 minus of minus 1 by 4. So it will become 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus d is equal to 0. So take the LCM. LCM is 4. We will get 2. So we will get 1 by 2 plus d is equal to 0. So therefore we can say d is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now substitute these values a, b, c and d. Where? You have to substitute this value here to here, and we will put integral signs. So now we will get a is 1 by 4 integration of dx by x minus 1 first over. Next is minus 1 by 4 integration of dx by x plus 1. Next is 0, that is c. So c, 0 minus x is 0. So 0 by any number gives you 0. So this will become 0. No need to solve it. Next comes your d. So d is minus 1 by 2 integration of dx by x square plus 1. Now solve. So if you take x minus 1 is equal to t, so you will get dt by t, that is nothing but log. So here comes 1 by 4 log x minus 1. Next is minus 1 by 4 log x plus 1. Same you will get here also, here also. Next is minus 1 by 2. So here it will be dx by x square plus 1. That is nothing but tan inverse x. So we can write it as tan inverse x plus c. So now if you see, the coefficients are same and both are log. So positive will come as numerator and negative will come as denominator. Why means it's dividing. So here it will be 1 by 4 log x minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. So this is the answer for this question.